Hello and welcome to another episode. We're still on our way home from the Rollright stores. As I was saying, we are still on our way home from the Rollright stones. But this is the last leg of the journey, so I hope you enjoy it. We're onto the main road from Banbury up to Rugby now. We didn't take this way on the way back, on the way out. We sort of took a detour over to like Daventry, just for variety. I had taken that road before. I have been on this one before, but not on a bike. I was in a little van when I went to pick up my mattress. Someone's giving that sign a good smack. I remember it being pretty nice. So I guess we'll find out. There is the Southam bypass along the way, which isn't very interesting. But that's only a little bit. Maybe we'll cut that out. I don't know. We'll see how it comes out on film. On film. As if I was actually filming any of this. There's no film involved. Our vocabulary really does need to catch up. But then, you know, there's a bunch of things in life where vocabulary hasn't caught up at all, and it's just changed the same. It's just stayed the same, rather. Will we still be using tank range when when we've all gone electric? Dunno. We'll find out. But sometimes vocabulary changes to keep trace, sometimes it doesn't. And I think that was nice. I think when it comes to video, I don't think it is going to catch up, to be honest. Or even video is as archaic as film is. None of this is actually video. Footage is archaic. You know? Footage, by the way, is like literally an amount of film. Yeah. Interesting linguistic quirks. I have taken the road north from Southam before. On bike. Because I was running out of petrol. And I took like a weird single track rat run across from Foss Way to Southam to get petrol so that I could make it home. Yeah. So I have done Southern to Rugby on a bike before. I don't think I've recorded it though. No, I haven't recorded it. Now see, recorded is acceptable. There's a bit of HS2. How's about that? That'll be great once it's done. place in England that you've never heard of. It's twinned with a place in France you've never heard of. There's the petrol station. I could stop. They do have a DC charger, but I've still got a quarter of tank left. Well, quarter charge left. Excuse me. So I'll be fine. Because frankly, it'll be cheaper to charge it at home, even with our current ridiculous energy prices.
Exit the roundabout. Half a mile. At the roundabout, take the third exit.
Oh, England. Sometimes your name's just...
Exit the roundabout.
Mind you, Welsh has some great ones. My favourite is Cumbargoed. Even though it's not properly pronounced that way. That's how it reads to an Anglophone. Actually something like Cumbargoed, which I've butchered. My apologies to all Welsh people. My ex is Welsh. He's really nice. Taught me a few words in Welsh. Which I've forgotten because I'm a horrible person. But he did help immensely with like understanding how things were supposed to be pronounced. So that's something. Get to the little canal pub. You get a bunch of those, just like pubs along the canal. Usually they're at road crossings as well. The place where I started this episode, I think, is one of those. Might be at a railway crossing though. Canberra. I'm already going slow enough for the turn. Come on. Oh, jeez. Speed limit up though. Guess I didn't need one. Oh, we're into the red now. 19%. Oh! That was a really hard bump. I didn't really feel it with the front, just whatever. The rear just leapt off the ground. This route's only about 90 miles, so we're not that far off the end now. Sign just back there that says police ANPR operation in progress, and I'm just like, what does that even mean? I mean, I know what ANPR is, obviously, automatic number plate recognition, but what does the sign mean? Like what? You put up a speed camera, you know? To be honest, I think the 50 limit on this road is a bit much. And this is Dunchurch. Yep. This is the M44, 45? Something like that. Blinded by reflection from the window.
In 300 yards, turn left.
That sounds like the end of the episode. Well, let's get up there anyway. Let's actually get to the end of the episode.
Turn left. Then, your destination will be on the left.
There we go.
Destination is on the left.
Alright. You know the spiel by now. If you liked this episode, then give it a like. Watch some of my other videos. Subscribe if you like them. Hit the bell if you subscribe. If you have anything you'd like to say to me, leave a comment. And if you would like to reward me for entertaining you today, then you can find my coffee link in the description below. Yeah, I hope you liked this new format.